Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at Bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be showing you how to perform YouTube SEO using Tubebuddy. So Tubebuddy is one of the great SEO tool made available for beginners and experts to use to perform YouTube SEO on your content. If you wish to rank your YouTube video on YouTube first page, so this tool is there for you. And you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do it to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime I produce an awesome video like this. So let's move out to my screen and get started. Welcome back. So this is Tubebuddy website. The official website is tubebuddy.com. So I'll be dropping the link of this website on the description box below, or you can do a Google search on this Tubebuddy. Just type it on Google and their website will pop up. So I already have their site on my screen here, and I'll also be dropping the link below on the description. So this is their site. They say grow your YouTube channel faster. So this is their homepage of their website. You can take your time and go through all this and see what this great tool can offer you. So but we don't have time on our side, so let's sign up. Let's first of all sign up. So if this is your first time of visiting this site, you need to sign up with them. For me, I already have accounts with them, but for the purpose of this video, I'll also be creating another account with them so that I will show you how you can easily sign up with them. Page open, you will sign up with your Google account. So you just click on sign up. So you choose any of the accounts that you wish to sign up with. So let me choose this account. So once you choose account, if this is your first time, they will send you a mail to confirm your Gmail account. So but for me, I already have account with them, but that's how simple it is to sign up. So once you sign up, they will give you a video. As you can see, I have not even used this email before. So the first thing to do, if you have time, you can watch this video. Then the next to do is to add a channel. So I'll click on add channel. So click on add channel, then I'll choose the email account for the channel. So this Bizyjoe Tech is I have a YouTube channel associated with this account. So what I would do, I'll just click on it. So once I click on it, it will open up do you see the channel link? This is Bizyjoe also TV. So I'll just click on it. So once I click on it, it will add that particular. So I just click on allow. We are here. As you can see, we have successfully add a YouTube channel on our Tubebuddy account. So the next thing to do is to upgrade your account. So once you click on upgrade, you choose any plan that you wish to upgrade to. You have Pro plan, which is $2 per month. You have Start Star, $7.6. Then we have the Legend. So and each of these plans have their own specific features. As you can see, you can go through all this and see the features associated with each plan. So but what I will do next, so once you are done with this, so you can go over to the integration. Let's just go over their websites. You can integrate any of these on your account. This is one of the great features that Tubebuddy have over vidIQ. So you can integrate any of these. So but if you want to perform your SEO, if you want to perform your YouTube SEO, you don't do that here. So you need to install their plugin. So let me show you how to install their plugin. Just search Tubebuddy. So if you want to add Tubebuddy extension, just come to your Chrome browser, search Tubebuddy extension. Then you see the first link there is their free browser extension. So you can integrate their extension. You can install it for free. As you can see, you can install the Tubebuddy extension for free. But I already have that on my browser. This is the Tubebuddy app on my browser. I already have that. So if you want to perform your SEO using Tubebuddy, you need to go to your YouTube channel. After successfully integrating your YouTube channel in your Tubebuddy account and having installed their extension successfully, you have access to this. You have access to their shortcuts here. So this Tubebuddy shortcuts. So once you click on it, there are so many navigation panel here. So they give you shortcuts to some of your YouTube pages. So you can see your video, your playlist, your comment, analytics, and real time extension tools. So these tools are for Tubebuddies. So you can see keyword research tool, SEO tool, video topic planner tool, tag lists, best time to publish, click magnet. So these are some of their features, but this is for some of them are for paid plan depending on your package. So let's perform some keyword you research. You do keyword explorer. So once you click on keyword explorer, it will direct you to this particular page where you can insert your keyword. So let's first insert our keyword. Let's use blogging for this, blogging for beginners. Let's use this particular keyword and see the results that is coming up for. So as you can see, the overall score for this particular keyword is good. It has 41 over 100. So we first of all check the score analysis. We go to the search volume. The search volume is good. It has good search volume. But I will advise you go with one that have green. So competition for unweighed is fair. So what is this weighed and unweighed? Weighed is with respect to your particular YouTube channel. If you check for weighed package, okay, this is for proof. If I can only access this once I upgrade. So they check this with respect to your own channel to see how easy you can easily rank for this particular keyword. That's for weighed. So on unweighed, competition is fair. So optimization strength is excellent. So this can be easily ranked on YouTube. So this is that you can also check on Google. You can check for this particular keyword how it's doing on Google. You can see other rated keyword. Then video topics. So these are video topics: how to start blogging for beginners, how to earn from blogging for beginners. So you can see common tags people use, blogging tips. This is the most used tags. So you can use this same tag on your video while uploading it. So the next thing to check is results. You check the results on YouTube channel. So you see people, the top ranking videos for this particular keyword. See what they are doing, see the kind of content they produce. Then you know how to produce your own content that will be more okay than the one that you are seeing here. So the next, you can still search for map. So after that, this is just how you can use keyword explorer to perform your keyword research. So that's that. There are some action that you can take here. You can add to topic planner. You can optimize in SEO studio. This is for paid plan. So this is just how simple it is to perform SEO activity using Tubebuddy. So, and if you enjoyed the video, do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime as I post an awesome video like this. Do have a wonderful day ahead.